Lego baseball field, and I have one plate. I have where the camera goes across, and stands. Got that's the most popular seats. Got fireworks. Got that. The most hardest to build was that, because behind it is concession stands, and then you'd climb it up. There really ain't no way to get in there. And I got the every base. I got the dugout. One second, I can't see. Dugout. The bullpen, people sit on top. And I got a little trailer. I just got it today. And other people are off of it. The long grandmother, I think. Just the little, but and they can go down that and up, that right there. It but every day I'd probably add something to it when I think. But here's the concession stands again. There they are. There really ain't nothing in the concession stands. Nothing cool about it, really. I just like it because my friend, I don't know, I like it. I just like it. And, there's that, but there's that is. And there, that is, oh yeah, I forgot to show you, that is, I made it up, and it is the, it's made of a mountain. The back ain't really nothing. That's what the shoot, fireworks that they go up, and this is like a baseball field. I made it, and it was pretty fun making it.